is episode 2 of decorating. We are laying out all the extension cords so that nobody trips. They're all nice and hidden. And we're going to close the fence over there so it comes all the way around. And I'm not sure what the rest is, so stick around. Trying to decide where all the skeletons should go, so I have them all lined up. There's another one there. And there's the resident skeleton way up there. See it waving the pirate flag. Let's see where they go and let's figure out something to stand them up. Maybe some rebar, maybe some tomato stakes, we'll see. I am also trying to decide where I'm going to hide the fog machine, because there has to be one fog machine for this side and one fog machine for that side. And I have a big fog machine and a little fog machine. Anyway, that's what I'm thinking about. I'll probably make a box for it. I mean, I'll bring them in at night, but I'll make a box for them and cover it with like a camouflage fabric that I have. If not, they have it at Walmart for like $6. That sounds like a good plan. It's getting dark and I didn't have too much time today because I had to work all day. I was cleaning my studio. So I did get that guy up. That's a 7-foot skeleton, right? And it's just suspended from the railing. Then for now, this is gonna be better. I have this guy, a pumpkin that he has captured. And then this guy, oh, and turn the button twice. All right, so this guy, we have him holding a skull right now, but we're going to change that to a full skeleton. But that's the first victim, and there are some bones where he crushed a few poor skeletons. Wait, we're gonna clean it up with the extension cords and everything, but that's the idea. It's getting ready very slowly, but it's coming along. It's going to be cleaned up. We'll move the extension cords and kind of hide them, but that's the idea. We're starting to place things where they're going to end up eventually. All right, we'll continue tomorrow. It's about 1 p.m. next day, and I am assembling the second of the 12-foot skeletons. I wasn't sure where it was gonna go, but I know that I want it by the balcony so I can tether it to the balcony for safety and for security so it doesn't walk away. We have 2 of the skeletons up and we are finishing this one. I am tightening the arms right now. I'm gonna use this guy as the pumpkin king, like one of his victims. Now for that, this is quite heavy and those arms are not kind of flimsy. And I don't know if you can see, but I have reinforced the arm by tethering to the balcony with a 50-pound fishing line. So we'll see if that works to hold the weight of this. Oh, I kind of like the messy look of the pumpkin patch because of all the fallen leaves, but it still looks a little kind of bare. So I have a grapevine that is like, well, you know, it's gonna be fall, so it's gonna die off anyway. I'm going to cut all the vines. I'm going to put them on the ground, and some of them kind of like woven through the pickets of the fence. Now the main cabin of the hearse is still at storage, but I have the wheels here and I have the base over there, so I'm going to at least get that installed. And if I cannot rent a truck, I'm going to have to disassemble the cabin in the storage, put in my car and bring it back and reassemble it here. All right, on we go. I am letting these things warm up because they're very stiff and it's not that hot, so that they can loosen a little bit and we can lay them out for the, you know, for the fog distribution. If they don't cooperate, we might have to just, you know, stake them down with some U-shaped pieces of wire. I'm gonna have to spray these. These are from the dollar store, but we'll do that later. I need something for the temporary fence. I put this skinnier one. I'm gonna try and snake it up through the middle of the pumpkin, inferno pumpkin skeleton. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, but we'll figure it out so that we can get fog to the chest. I think that would be cool. We have started assembling the hearse with the crappy wheels I told you about. So they are sitting on some of these sawhorses. Now these guys are gonna go right around here, and then the top of the hearse is at storage. So I'll have to go get that probably tomorrow. I'm putting a piece of rebar because I am tired of this thing blowing away. So I glued a piece of PVC with mastic and not gonna fly away anymore. Well, today's been raining all morning. It's a gloomy day. It's supposed to clear up, but one thing I realized when I suspended the skeleton is that the arm is coming off, but we cannot reach it. And I've been putting this off for a long time. I need to go get a ladder, and I have these Blink cameras. It was an awesome special. I think that 3 of them less than 200, I think. I'll put the link below, which I'm going to use during Halloween to protect the props, and then during the rest of the year just for security around the perimeter of the house. So let's go to Harbor Freight and then we can close this episode. That is where it's coming loose, and everything is suspended by 50-pound line that is tethered all the way to the balcony. Now that line will support it, except that when we were hanging it, it just put some torque on the arm. So I just have to pop the arm back in, tighten the lines, and we are good to go. All right, here is a sneak peek of what the yard looks like. We're not done yet, but we're getting close. So it starts right here with the skeletons. You see where the hearse is gonna go. On the ground should be tombstones, which we need to put up still. There's still some skeletons laying down that need to start battling the pumpkins. Then here's the path going down to the house for trick-or-treaters. And then we have the pumpkin patch. And as you can see, I haven't spread out the pumpkins or done the patch yet, or the fog, or the lights. But it's coming along, it's looking good, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, I'm at Harbor Freight today. They're having a parking lot sale, and the ladder that is normally like $150 is $119. So most of the stuff is on sale, so let's go and make some damage. This serial killer thing is like $4.99 this week. But I wanted to tell you that the reason I can do this and this massive displays is because of you guys watching the channel, the Patreons sponsoring me, and the people that buy the merchandise. So thank you so much, I appreciate it. It's because of you that we can do all these cool projects and that we can continue to do them. And I have some epic ideas in my head. All right, time out, let's go. Time back in. Yeah, let's go keep shopping. I got mine at Lowe's or Home Depot, I don't remember, but this one from One Stop Garden at Harbor Freight is perfect for the low voltage lighting. Okay, I'm finally home. It got cold, it never warmed up, so I'm going to decorate a little bit, but I'm going to unload everything I bought, unload this footage so you can see this episode. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll keep videoing to see how the yard is going to turn out. See you on the next one.